Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about the part modeling tutorial inside Onshape. I have simple model as you can see over here, and I will go to model list. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I want to go for the sketch, choose this top, and I will go for the center point rectangle like this. And now I will go for the dimension. This one becomes 75 mm and this one becomes 30 mm. I will hit OK. Let me choose and hide this plane, also hide this plane, also hide this plane. Now I'll go for the isometric view. Now go for the extrude, choose the region and define 9, depth 9, hit OK. Now again I will sketch on this top surface, go for the corner rectangle starting from somewhere here, go for the smart dimension, define 18 plus 15, hit enter. OK. Go for extrude, select the region, define 21, hit enter and hit OK. Now press right click and rotate. I'll go for fillet, define it 15, choose this edge and this edge, and I will hit OK. See, go for the isometric view. Again I will go for the sketch, choose this top surface, go for a circle, and I'll go for the smart dimension. Diameter become 15, choose this and this, hit OK. Now I will choose this and this edge. OK, it is concentric, and select the region. I will remove, and this is blind. I will select through all and I will hit OK. Now go for chamfer, define chamfer 9, choose this edge and this edge, and I will hit OK. Now we'll construct a plane. For that I will come here and from here I can actually construct a plane. Here we have the plane, we have the mid plane, choose this face and this face. We have a plane at the middle. Okay, now I will sketch on this plane, make it normal, go for a line, and now I will go for the coincident mate, choose like this and this, make a coincident mate, this and this, and I will hit OK. Go for the isometric view. Now I will go for extrude, select the region, and here I will select the add here I will choose, this is blind. You can flip the direction up to part, up to vertex. You can erase the surface, and then I'll click on symmetry, and in symmetric I'll select 7 and I will hit OK. Now you can click on this plane and hide it. See, I will go for the isometric view, and that's your part. Thanks for watching.